Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are going to cover a really important article in the Hindu newspaper today. That is, high oil prices will sap global recovery. A really important article related to Indian economy, paper 3, growth and development, effect of policies and politics of countries on India's interest, and mobilization of resources. These are the topics in the syllabus that this article is going to target. Okay, so that is why we are going to study it. Now, the article says as the global recovery gains strength, price of crude oil is nearing its highest level since 2018. And why is it happening? Because the Brent crude oil price has increased to US dollar 85.89 per barrel, which is the highest price since October 2018. We are going to understand some important key points in this article. For example, how the oil pricing is done. Okay, globally oil pricing कौन control करता है, and what are the reasons for high prices of Brent crude oil? That also we are going to study in detail in this article. So first thing you should remember is that the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is the OPEC, it used to work as a cartel and fix prices in a favorable band. दिस ओपीईसी जो है ये इसके जो एक्टिविटीज हैं इससे जो प्राइसेस हैं ऑयल के वो फिक्स होते थे, ठीक है, वो बढ़ते थे या घटते थे. And this OPEC, that is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, it is headed by Saudi Arabia, which is the largest exporter of crude oil in the entire world. That means it handles single-handedly, it exports 10% of the global demand. This is also important. And OPEC has total 13 members. India is not a member of OPEC. Okay, that you have to remember. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, Libya, Nigeria, Gabon, then the Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Angola, and Venezuela. These are the 13 member countries of OPEC. And OPEC could bring down the prices if it increases the oil production, and it can raise the prices of oil by cutting the production. So global oil pricing depends on the partnership between these global oil exporters and a well functioning competition between them. Cutting the oil production or completely shutting down an oil well, it's a very tough decision. Okay, because if the oil production or oil well is shut down, then restarting that well is very costly. So if a country cuts production, it risks losing market share if the other country do not follow the same suit. Recently OPEC has been working with Russia also. अभी हाल फिलहाल में OPEC जो है वो रशिया के साथ काम कर रहा है to fix the global prices and supply. Okay, so this is the phenomena and the process of oil pricing that I have told you. Now we will discuss the reasons for high price of oil right now. ये high oil prices के पीछे का reason क्या है ये अब हम समझने वाले हैं. Unacademy is going to conduct Unacademy UPSC Mega Combat. Learn, compete and conquer. Unacademy's All India Free Scholarship Test UPSC Mega Combat is going to take place on 24th of October 2021, this coming Sunday at 11 a.m. in the morning. It's a free scholarship test wherein you will stand a chance to win scholarship from a pool of rupees 10 crore. And another important point, you will see discounts like never before. So if you participate in this combat, we are providing you 15% guaranteed discount on your participation. यानी कि अगर आप सिर्फ participate भी करते हो ना इस combat में, तब भी हम आपको 15% का guaranteed discount देंगे आपके Unacademy Plus के subscription पर. So your participation will lead you to discounts, and you all know that Gaurav Budania sir, All India Rank 13, is launching his new batch from 27th October. So here's your chance to be a part of Gaurav Budania sir's batch, which is starting from 27th batch. Use your discount from this Unacademy Combat and participate. Over and above this, you can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% extra discount. यानी कि कॉम्बैट में पार्टिसिपेट करके 15% डिस्काउंट तो आपको वैसे ही मिल जाएगा, 10% डिस्काउंट ARPITA10, और आप फटाफट से यहाँ पर गौरव बुदानिया सर के कोर्स में इनरोल भी कर सकते हो, wherein he will take 5 classes on essay, 2 classes on strategy, 3 classes on answer writing. 27 अक्टूबर से नए बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं अनअकैडमी प्लस पर, तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस टेस्ट पर भी स्कॉलरशिप जीतो, अपने प्रीलिम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर अच्छे से करो, और इस टेस्ट में 56 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने होंगे 60 मिनट में, तो आपका डिसिप्लिन भी इस टेस्ट के थ्रू बनेगा कि आप लगकर 60 मिनट में 1 घंटे बैठकर इस टेस्ट को दे पाए और टाइमली मैनर पे सॉल्व कर पाए. So use invite code ARPITA10. The link is given below in the description box. It's a free scholarship test and join it today. Now let us understand the reasons for the high prices. अब समझते हैं कि भाई high price का reason क्या है. So over here you need to understand first thing, that first reason is the slow production. I told you initially, मैंने आपको बताया था that OPEC could bring down the prices by increasing oil production, and the prices can increase if the oil production is decreased. अगर oil production कम हो गया तो price बढ़ जाएगा. So same thing is happening over here. Slow production, that is why the price is increasing. Key oil producing countries, that is the OPEC countries, they have kept crude oil supplies on a gradually increased production schedule despite a sharp increase in global crude oil prices. But OPEC plus कौन सी कंट्रीज है? OPEC plus in consultation with Russia. That is why it is known as OPEC plus, because this plus portion is Russia. It had agreed to sharp cuts in supply in 2020 because of COVID-19, and because of that production came down. COVID-19 के जो travel restrictions थे उस वजह से क्या हुआ? Production कम हुआ, prices increase हुए. Second reason is supply side issues. Now in US there have been the hurricane Ida. You must have studied about it. आपने पढ़ा होगा US में हरिकेन आइडा ने काफी तबाही मचाई थी, तो वहां पर भी there were supply side issues because of this hurricane. Okay, so the disruptions caused by hurricane Ida and lower than expected natural gas supplies from Russia, because of that the price increased. Now what can be the possible impact on India? India पे क्या impact हो सकता है? See, first impact is, if there is an increase in oil price, this will lead to increase in the country's import bill, and further it will disturb its current account deficit. Now the next question is, what is current account deficit? Current account deficit क्या होता है? When the import of goods, write it down, when the import of goods it is and services, it is more, जब ये ज्यादा होता है than the export of goods and services. जब हम जो मंगा रहे हैं goods services वो ज्यादा मंगा रहे हैं, बट एक्सपोर्ट उसका कम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उससे करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट क्रिएट होता है. तो अगर ऑयल प्राइस बढ़ेगा तो हमारा इंपोर्ट का बिल बढ़ेगा, तो इससे करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट हमारा डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. Second can be, if the oil price is increasing, it will increase the inflationary pressures, which will result in inflation. Okay, inflation हो जाएगा, महंगाई बढ़ जाएगी. Third can be, if the oil price continue to increase, government shall be forced to cut taxes on petroleum and diesel, which may result in loss of revenue, and it can also affect the fiscal health. ओके वैसे ही पिछले 2 सालों में जो स्लो डाउन है ग्रोथ का वो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, ठीक है, और अगर यहाँ पर भी रेवेन्यू लॉस हो गया गवर्नमेंट को, तो गवर्नमेंट की जो एबिलिटी होती है खर्चा करने की या फिस्कल कमिटमेंट्स को मीट करने की वो भी कम हो जाएगी, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर ये प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है. प्लस द राइजिंग प्राइसेस हैव इम्पैक्टेड द वर्ल्ड एंड इंडिया इज पर्टिकुलरली एट अ डिसएडवांटेज सिचुएशन, as any increase in global price can affect its import bill. तो इससे क्या होगा? आर इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी विल स्लो डाउन. अगर ये करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट डिस्टर्ब हुआ तो हमारी इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी जो है वो कम हो जाएगी. सो इंडिया एंड अदर ऑयल इंपोर्टिंग नेशंस हैव कॉल्ड ऑन OPEC प्लस टू बूस्ट द ऑयल सप्लाई फास्टर सो दैट द प्राइसेस कैन कम डाउन. ऑलराइट, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया यहाँ पर? तो ये आपका पॉइंट. अब बात आती है ये ब्रेंट क्रूड ऑयल वगैरह के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं, फिर एक WTI ऑयल भी होता है, दैट इज द वेस्ट टेक्सास इंटरमीडिएट. क्या होते हैं इन दोनों में, डिफरेंस क्या होता है? दिस इज योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. राइट इट डाउन. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ब्रेंट एंड WTI ऑयल? ये आपका आज का होमवर्क है. यू हैव टू know the difference between these two. All right. So on this note, we are wrapping up the session. इसी note पे हम session को wrap up करते हैं. I hope now you understood the all the important pointers about this article. Thank you and have a nice day.